You know, enough like, I've been subjected to all these portraits because he loved to do portraits, and if he ran out of customers, I mean, paying customers, any customers, he'd paint pictures of himself. So I do have quite good image of him because of that element in his work. I'd say one of the things, a little stern, some of these. But sternness may be an illusion. When you paint a self-portrait, you're looking carefully, and copying. It's hard not to come up with a stern face. So I don't want to overinterpret. I don't see any broad smiles and things like that. Like painting a picture is a serious business, writing a poem is a serious business. He didn't write jingles, he wrote poetry. Well, he did care about what he wore, and there was a conflict there with our poverty. But given the poverty, he was dressed, you'd say he was dressed elegantly. I don't know how he managed it. Say, nice clean shirt, and it didn't mean anything got up particularly, but sort of an awareness of how one looks, and I guess he cared about that. Certainly more than I know I do. I think there was somehow more presence than with most individuals in the room. Now, if you ask me how come, was it his doing or my doing? I don't really know. But yeah, that is, it couldn't be that he wasn't noticed if he were in the room. But that may be responsive rather than the way he acted.